OpenAI just cut GPT 5.6 Sol pricing by more than 20% for the next 3 months. And in the same breath, Sam Altman announced that they're pausing frontier RL training for safety alignment. Now, I don't know about you, but when a company drops prices and pauses development at the same time, my brain goes, what are you not telling me? Let's unpack this. So Codex just hit 20 million users, and the funny part is the number one complaint is rate limits. People are literally saying, let me give you more money, I'm hitting the cap. Now think about that. Most companies are begging for customers. OpenAI has customers begging to pay them, and they're saying, no, not yet. They're playing a little hard to get, right? And that's a good problem to have, but it also tells you something about how strained their infrastructure actually is. And speaking of needing money, OpenAI is rolling out ads across Europe. The company, valued at over $800 billion, is putting banner ads on their product. Now, that's not a growth move, that's a revenue move, and it's happening at the exact same time that Anthropic is filing for a $100 billion IPO. That's how much they want to raise. Now, I'm not saying the timing is suspicious. I'm saying that two rival AI labs both need massive capital at the same moment, then something bigger is probably happening, right? So here's what I think is happening. The pause for safety narrative is pretty convenient. Either it's genuine, which would be great actually, or it's a way to slow down while they figure out their capital structure before they go public. Because OpenAI also filed confidentially for their IPO back in June, right after Anthropic. The price cuts, that's a land grab before the market gets priced by the public markets. Drop prices, lock in market share, tell a good story to investors. The ads in Europe, that's showing revenue diversification to those same investors. See how it's all kind of connected? So why does this matter for you? Well, 3 things. Number 1, the price war means your AI tools just got cheaper. If you're using ChatGPT 5.6 Sol, you're getting a 20% discount for the next quarter, so you should use it. Number 2, rate limits on Codex aren't going away until infrastructure catches up. So if you're a developer, plan around it. And number 3, and this is the big one, the IPO window for AI companies is opening. If Anthropic goes public at $100 billion or a $1 trillion valuation, raising $100 billion, OpenAI follows, and then the whole investment landscape shifts. Venture capital kind of gets replaced by public market pressure, and public markets care about quarterly earnings, not so much safety alignment, right? So what happens when AI development is driven by shareholder returns instead of mission statements? That's the real question. We'll see how this whole thing unfolds. By the way, if you haven't liked and subscribed to this channel, I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to give you some really great AI content across a lot of different fields, whether it's investing or using the right tools or just learning about AI in general. So please like, subscribe, comment below. Love to have you join the new channel here. Thank you. Bye.